I'm recording this video with my Sony NEX VG20 camcorder. I'm using the kit lens, which is 18 to 200 millimeters in Sony terms, which works out to about 27 millimeters by 450 in 35 millimeter terms because of the crop size of the APS-C image sensor. I have the camera lens set at its widest aperture, 3.5, and at its widest zoom, which is 18 millimeters. So what I'd like for you to do is check for distortion and vignetting in the lens, and then we'll compare it with the 24 millimeter lens. I'm saying 24 millimeters, it's the 16 millimeter lens. It's a prime lens offered by Sony. And of course, with the crop factor, a 16 millimeter lens works out to 24 millimeters in 35 millimeter terms. So you've had a chance to examine this section of the video and rerun it and look at it all you want. So I'm going to stop and switch over to the 24 millimeter lens. All right, I've switched now to the 16 millimeter lens, the pancake lens that I showed you. With the APS-C crop factor, that works out to a 24 millimeter lens in 35 millimeter film terms. So the thing to look for now is the same vignetting in the corners and any distortion that you see. As an example in size, this is the kit lens that comes with the camera. It comes with a lens shade that's reversible for transportation, and it's a fairly heavy zoom lens with 18 to 200 millimeters as its range. The 24 millimeter or 16 millimeter lens I've now set manually for its widest aperture, 2.8, and of course it has no zoom, so it's set at 16 millimeters or 24 millimeter factor in film. So if you've had a chance to look for distortion and vignetting, I'm going to switch it off now.